Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new user in Indition CRM. To create a new user, we have a couple different places you can do it. The easiest way to do it would be to click on the Universal Add button and select User. When you click on the user, you will be taken to the Create User screen where you will be able to input all the data you need for your user, as well as who they report to and who reports to them. You are also able to set a temporary password and role for them. Don't forget when you are done to save your information. Okay, so that was one way. The second way involves you going to the menu options and selecting Admin, and then clicking on User Management. This User Management screen / grid is where all of your users will be shown. On this screen you can select the Add Plus button or create a user on that route. One quick thing to note is if you need to update your user or delete the user completely, you can also do that on this Manage Users page. And that about wraps it up. Now you know how to add a new user into your CRM. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found this useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.